I am so excited because we're going to the beach next weekend. So that has had me in a summer beach mindset. So I decided to make a new beachscape painting. These are one of my absolute favorite designs to make, and it's actually been a while since I've made one. So I'm very excited to do this one today. I started by painting the tan color on with a brush, just to make sure the white of the canvas doesn't show through when it dries. I've had that happen before with this color, and I don't want that to happen again. Then I add my colors for the water, starting at the top of the canvas and working my way down from the darkest color to the lightest. Plus I also added more tan, which I maybe didn't really need to do since I had already painted it on there, but whatever, it's fine. And then finally I added in my white color. The tool that I'm using is a miniature leaf blower, and I got it from Amazon, and it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. You could also use a hairdryer for this, or even a straw, but I have a hard time controlling the paint with a hairdryer. Maybe if it was a bigger canvas, but with this size painting, the hairdryer thing just doesn't work for me. And then when I use a straw to blow it out myself, I get really lightheaded, especially if I'm doing it a whole lot, which I would have been for this painting. So the mini leaf blower is the perfect tool for this kind of painting for me. And now I'm adding in more white here just to create more of a natural look. And then I'll go over everything with my heat gun to pop any air bubbles. And this is the result while the paint is still wet. It's absolutely beautiful and I love it. Come back and I will show you the dry results.